Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account permanently. So if you want to delete your Twitter account, maybe you want to become a human again, I will show you guys exactly how to delete your Twitter account right now. So first things first, make sure your Twitter app is all the way updated, and once you do that, head over to the Twitter app. Now here, you'll want to click on your profile icon in the top left corner. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll want to scroll to the bottom of the bar that just showed up, and you'll see an option that says Settings and Privacy. Here at Settings and Privacy, you'll want to click on that, and a new page will show up for the Settings option. Here in the Settings option, you'll want to click on Your Account, which is at the top of all the options. Once you click on that, this page will show up for your account, and at the bottom there will be an option that says Deactivate Your Account. You'll want to click on that option right there. So once you click on it, this new page will show up right here. And you can read through all of it if you want to, it doesn't really matter. Once you deactivate your account, however, you have 30 days to reactivate your account. So if you change your mind within 30 days, you can recover your account, but if you don't, it will be deleted forever. So at the bottom of the page, click on Deactivate, and once you click on Deactivate, it will bring up this password page right here. So you'll have to confirm your password for your account real quick. So put in whatever your password is, and then click on Deactivate. Once you click on that, click on Yes, Deactivate, and it will kick you out of your account and say your account is deactivated. Now, to reactivate your account, you'll have to log back into your other account. So click on Add an Existing Account, and then put in your username or email or phone. And once you put that in, just put in your password right here and click on Log In. Once you do that, this page will show up and you'll just have to click on Yes, Reactivate. Once you click on Reactivate, it will load for a bit and then log you back into your account. So that is how you delete your Twitter account on Twitter. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.